Shiv Sena has hit out at the BJP in an editorial in the party mouthpiece Samna, targeting the BJP for seeking new allies without consulting existing ones. So that's another problem area for the BJP. Remember, just a few days ago, there was this all is well between the Shiv Sena and the BJP message that came out, Tavleen. Obviously, on the face of it, they're trying to put out that picture, but Shiv Sena now hitting out at the BJP.
Yes, that is correct. A very strong statement had come in Samna where Shiv Sena very categorically questioned the decisions that the Bharatiya Janata Party has been taking as far as the alliances pre-2014 general elections are concerned. We know for a fact that this particular straightforward article has come just 24 hours after Uddhav Thackeray had held a meeting in Mumbai where the weakness of their alliance was being discussed about, and a very pertinent question was being raised by the Shiv Sena. But as far as the BJP is concerned, they are putting up a brave face. In fact, Prakash Javadekar, who belongs to Maharashtra, has very categorically stated that it's a friendly advice and nothing more should be read into it. So we really need to wait and see what the strategy as far as BJP is concerned on its alliance partners Maharashtra is concerned, because Nitin Gadkari meeting Raj Thackeray obviously raised a lot of eyebrows, and which is why somewhere or the other the 30-year-old relationship between Shiv Sena and BJP is facing a very troubled road as far as 2014 general elections are concerned.
Well, let's listen in to some reactions coming in from the BJP. Let's listen in to Prakash Javadekar and what he said on these developments.
मुझे लगता है शिवसेना के साथ का जो एक शिवसेना के मन में एक थोड़ी शंका पैदा हुई थी वो कब की खत्म हो गई। अब वो जब सामना में कोई आर्टिकल आता है तो आपके चैनल पर या किसी समाचार पत्र में जैसा आर्टिकल आता है वैसे ही हम उसको लेते हैं। उनको भी प्रेस फ्रीडम का देना चाहिए।